Hello children, very good morning to all of you. In today's class we are going to do the map activity. So the topic, that is the theme about today's map, is plotting the union territories of India. Okay, we are going to mark the union territories that is in our country. So I hope you all are ready with your India political map. So what is political map? The political map shows the political divisions. The India political map, it shows the political divisions, that is the boundaries of how the state is there in the country. You all agree, children? So how many states are there in our country? There are 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay, what do you mean by union territories? So union territories are nothing but they have that particular state, okay? It has its own government, okay? They have their own administration. So that is known as union territories. So in India we have 9 union territories. So which is the newly added or newly formed union territory in India? Do you all know that? Yes, it is Jammu and Kashmir. So the state Jammu Kashmir, it was divided into two as Jammu and Ladakh. So Ladakh is one union territory and Jammu, it became Jammu Kashmir, it became another union territory. Okay. So here in the slide you can see the number of union territories. Let me start. You also just repeat it after me. Andaman and Nicobar, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Chandigarh, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Delhi, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so these are 9 union territories that belongs to India. So here we have the India political map where only the union territories are marked. You can see on the map. So let me again tell you. Andaman and Nicobar. Next, it comes Puducherry, then Lakshadweep, and here in the eastern side, Daman and Dadar and Nagar Haveli, and there in the north, it's Delhi, Chandigarh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Ladakh. Okay, these are the 9 union territories that belongs to our country, that belongs to India. So let's start marking it in our India political map. Get ready with your India political map. So you have to start writing the title, the elements of map. Yes or no? What are the elements of map? Title, compass rose, scale, and key or legend. Okay, so here we are not going to use any colors, but we use the symbols. The symbol is marking a dot for the capital of the union territory. Okay, so marking the dot, you can use your red sketch pen. So before marking it, before marking in red sketch pen, don't directly mark using red sketch pen. First mark it with a pencil. Okay, so once marking all the capital of all the union territories, and then you can change it to red sketch pen. Okay, you can then highlight it. So the heading is, start writing with the capital letter. The first letter, it has to be in capital letter. Write using a sharpened pencil. After writing the heading, underline it, double underline using your scale. Okay, you should not underline with your free hands. So the heading is the Union Territories of India. T capital. THEUNION. Union. Territories. TERRITORIES. Territories of India. I capital because it is the name of the country. INDIA. India. Underline it. And then you have to draw the compass rose. You have to draw the plus symbol and write north, south, west and east. And then just write key, and this is how it is written here. Can you see? So here what we are doing is we are marking it with a dot, representing the capital of the Union Territory. So here in the key you need to mark a dot using a red sketch pen. Then you have to write it is as capitals. Okay, that is enough. So first let's start marking Pondicherry. So can you see where is Pondicherry located? Just see the map, mark it and write Pondicherry. So I have written big for you to make it very clear. Okay, so you no need to write it like this. You can write using a pencil, like however it is legible and clear, that is enough. No need to write in such a big font, it is not necessary. Write neatly and clearly, that is enough. Okay, see the spelling, and first letter it has to be in capital letter. PONDICHERRY. Next, it is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. So there you have to write Andaman and Nicobar Islands and then mark the capital and write Port Blair. Andaman and Nicobar, you can refer to your atlas. If you don't know the spelling, you can see the atlas and write the correct spelling. A, it has to be in capital, and N, it has to be in capital letter. So here spelling for Port Blair is PORTBLAIR. Port Blair. Next, Kavarati, it is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands. So near to that you need to write Lakshadweep and mark the capital and write Kavarati. 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 Children, if you seem like I'm going fast, you please pause the video, then see clearly, see the spelling clearly and then write. Okay, keep your atlas near to you so that you can refer to the spelling if you don't know. Next, Daman. So it is here above. Which state is that? Madhya Pradesh. To the north of Madhya Pradesh, mark it, and it is touching the coast, so mark it very clearly. It is Daman. 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 Next, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. So mark that. It is towards south of, which state is that? Gujarat. Mark it and then write Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Look at the spelling clearly. Wherever you need to write capital letter, it has to be in capital letter. Write very neatly and legible. Okay, no need to write in bigger font or no need to write very small. Write in proper size. Okay, next, it's Delhi. So the small state is there, no? That one. Write, mark it and write Delhi. D has to be in capital letter. DELHI. Next, Chandigarh. See very clearly. Don't get confused while marking. See the map clearly. Pause the video or else refer to your atlas and mark it correctly. It's Chandigarh. 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 Next, Leh. Okay, so this state Jammu Kashmir, it has been divided into two as Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So while writing Leh, you can write Ladakh. So just to identify, okay, Ladakh is one more union territory. Here we are marking the capital. So you need to write Ladakh there and then write Leh near the capital. Next, so this state is Jammu and Kashmir. For Jammu and Kashmir, there are two capital cities. One is Srinagar and one is Jammu. So while marking these capitals, you have to write Jammu Kashmir near wherever you're finding space, write it there and then mark both the capitals, and first capitals which is towards the north of Jammu Kashmir, you need to write it as Srinagar, and the next capital which is towards the south of Jammu Kashmir, it is Jammu. Okay, I hope you all are clear. Write it very neatly. If you're finding it difficult, so please stop the video, refer to the atlas, okay, and then write it. Do not get confused and write something, okay? Just see the atlas and then write. So these are the union territories that belongs to India. Okay, children? So complete the map, finish it. I'm telling you again, do not mark with the sketch pen at the first stretch, okay? Mark it with the pencil, then after completing everything, just overcheck with the help of an atlas, and then you can do it with your red sketch pen and mark the key. So finish the map and keep it in your portfolio. While revising for your exam, for your final examination, it will be useful. Okay children, let's see in next video. Thank you class.